Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 29. Dear children, today we will read about the numbers 16 to 20. Read aloud the number. 16 sharpeners, 17 pencils, 18 bats, 19 balls, 20 pens. STEAM activity. Create flashcards of numbers 16 to 20 and hide them in the classroom. Then make a list, find and count the cards. Ask your teacher to help you with this creative and interesting counting activity. Think and tell. What do 10 to 10 make plus? If you start counting your fingers on both hands, you will reach the number 10. Now start over again from number 11 and count all fingers once again. You will reach the number 20. Isn't it interesting? I trust it is indeed. Dear teachers, make the children learn the numbers 16 to 20 along with tracing and writing activities. Help all children with STEAM activity. Ask them to count different objects and sort out sets of 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Ask each child to write the numbers on sand tray for better practice. Have a nice day.